you. Shining star, I've seen your face. And